Hi, want to know how to connect USB flash drive, pen drive to your Xiaomi Redmi 13C? So, as a first step, you need to make sure that your USB drive, or in my case, this is a connector to SD card, has Type-C cable, because if not, you would need to get adapter from USB Type-A to USB Type-C, or just use any other flash, because this phone supports only one type of cable, which is the Type-C. Here you can see how it looks. And now let's move on to the next step. So to connect the flash drive to our phone, we would need to simply put it into the charging port. So let me show you how it looks. Here we have the charging port at the bottom part of our phone. Here is it how it looks. And we would need to insert the flash drive into this charging port. And this is basically it. Now we would need to wait a little while until we'll be able to see a notification about connected USB drive. And here is it. So here we would need to click on this little arrow to click on this button Explore, after which on your phone will open the file manager, in which you'll be able to find all of the files that are currently located on the USB drive. And now last but important step is when you are going to remove the USB drive from your phone, we would need to go back to the same notification. Here click on this arrow and click Eject. Only after doing this, you'll be able to safely remove the USB device from your phone. And when you can see that the notification has disappeared, only now we can take off the USB drive. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.